What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Excuse my appearance. We have had the laziest day ever. The laziest day. But anyway, so I'm out of breath and I don't know why. Tonight we are going to be doing a DIY Halloween movie night with the girls. And so I got a couple things that I feel the girls would really enjoy to basically eat, I guess. Eat and just have as like Halloween. I don't really know the terminology, but I think y'all know what I'm talking about. So I got a couple things and I wanted to show you guys what I got to make our movie night feel a little bit more movie night-ish. So anyway, here it is. All right, you guys, so I went to Kroger earlier today and I picked this up. Sorry, I didn't lay everything out, but I picked this up a trick-or-treat pail, and I'm just gonna put some popcorn in there. I don't know what that is, just like a little spongy. I'm gonna put the popcorn in here. I picked the girls up. Yeah, you like it? Okay, cool. Yeah, okay, I haven't showed that yet, so give me a second. And I picked them up their own jack-o'-lantern coffee mugs. Yes. Yes, okay, I'll get you some in a second. So I got these, and then I ended up getting them a tray, a trick-or-treat tray. This is hard to do with one hand. A trick-or-treat tray that I'm just gonna put some chips and I don't know what else I'm gonna put on here, but have this. Okay, sweetie, hold on please, okay? Then I ended up picking them up some vanilla cupcakes, some little Halloween themed cupcakes. Oh, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put some chips on like one side and the cupcakes on the other. And then, oh, and some Oreos. Okay, so I did buy a lot of stuff. And then I got them some Oreos, and then I also got them some little mini M&Ms for their popcorn. And this is just the tortilla chips that we're gonna be eating as like a little snack, as well as some salsa. And then this is the popcorn, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there just so I have that organized. And these, guys, I got these from Trader Joe's. This is the coolest things I have ever seen. It's literally just a stick of hot chocolate. You put it inside of, I guess, milk or like hot water. I would assume hot milk. I'm not so sure. Oh, place hot milk. There we go. And then you just put it in, and then you just stir it, and then it creates hot chocolate. So this is super neat. We ended up getting 4 of these for all 4 of us. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in their cups as well, and just making it look super duper cute. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything set up, get them in their pajamas, and then we're gonna go ahead and crank up a movie. All right, so we're going to be boiling the milk. It says to do like 8 ounces, but I don't measure, so We're just gonna do some milk, enough for the 4 of us. I think that should be enough. And then let me get a ladle. So just kind of stir it up a little bit. And then I guess we'll just let it sit until it starts to heat up a bit. Then we're gonna go over here and then use our hot cocoa sticks. Alright, you guys, so this was a super fun night and the girls really enjoyed themselves. As you can see, we all crowded up on our bed to watch the Haunted Mansion, and it was really a great experience. If you happen to like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and also let me know what's your favorite Halloween movie in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye y'all.